but you do see my screen, and this is StreamYard, okay? So the name I go by is Digital Granny. You also know me as Paula. I am going to walk you through the steps on creating a video inside of StreamYard as a beginner. I want you to know how easy this is. So you would create an account with StreamYard. You can do the paid version or you can do the free. There are more options with the paid, and I find it easy to justify that because you can stream to multiple social media platforms with the paid version. With the free one, you can stream to one platform, which is actually really good too. But let's get started. You would click on home, you would click on recording if you were going to do a video. You would go back here to live stream if you were going to do live stream. So we're going to do a recording. I'm going to name it How to Create a Video with StreamYard. All right, create recording. And then what we would do is rename this if you want to change the display name, if you want to have the bottom name different. These are some of the settings. You have general, landscape, portrait. None of these things you have to change, okay? It's all fine. Make sure your audio is what you're using. I use a Yeti mic, but if you're doing this with a camera, then you would just use the mic that's built into your camera, or you could have a separate mic. Virtual background, here we can choose this, we could choose this, we could actually blur, okay, or use none. Recording, just leave it alone. Hotkeys, leave it alone, and guests, leave it alone. So now we're going to enter the studio, and then at the bottom left you can see we're going to add to the stage, and we're going to hit this record button up in the top right corner. Start recording. Yes. Do you want an intro video? You can do that. It's kind of advanced. I would leave it alone. Hit the record button and you are now recording. You see? So, hello everyone. This is going to be a very quick tutorial for beginners because I want you just to know that you can do this. So, along the bottom here, you're going to see a mute, stop your cam, the settings that we just went over. Okay. Present. You can present a PDF. I have a PDF in there. You can go to Google Slides, present one of those. You can go to your computer and upload something. I already put this inside so that I could show you. Now, that is already on the stage. It's being presented. So I can change the layout here. As you can see along the bottom, it gives you little pictures. I like that one. Because you can see me and you can see what I'm talking about at the same time. I could go through the slide and read it to you and talk to you while I'm doing this. Okay, I love it. So let's remove that. That is an option if you had a PDF that you wanted to present to people. Okay, you can do a video file. Let me show you this. So you'd click on a video. So easy. You could share more stuff, more information. I can pause him and then I can make it like this where he's bigger. I can make me smaller in the corner. I can put side by side again, and then I'm just going to take it back off when I'm done with it or leave it there. Or if I wanted to come back, show a little bit of it and then take it off and then add it back on, remove, that's how you can do that. Now, you can invite other people. I'm not going to go into that today. That is something that you can actually easily invite a guest. It is not a hard process, which is another thing that I love about StreamYard. You can invite guests. Comments. Okay, you see this comment button? So comments, when somebody comments and you want to highlight that comment, you could just click on the comment and it would show. Okay, just like that. There you go. And it's kind of like highlighting that person's comment. Banners. I love banners. So this is a banner. And let's change this because I like pink. So back to banners. If you want more info, go to Granny's Getting Paid. You can have another ticker at the bottom. Thanks for watching. You can just click on them. You want to add your own banner. Type in the words, add banner. If you want it to scroll, make sure you put the little check in the checkbox there. I like it. Smile. It can be contagious. Okay. So I love that. Now we're out of banners. Now we can go to media assets. You can add your logo if you wanted to in the corner. You can go through overlays. Now I'm going to walk you through something that I absolutely dig. So if you wanted to have like 10 different things that you wanted to show people, I am going to show you. You could actually put one up, talk about it, take it down. Put one up, talk about it, take it down. It will help you to create a video and actually have more than just you talking, some things moving, some things showing, um, more information. So I love this. Let's do this. If I was going to do a video and I was going to present to you my digital programs, this is how I could do it. So my digital programs, now I made this on Canva, by the way. I just made this on Canva and I could show you how to do that. It is an overlay and it has a transparent background. If you don't know anything about that, that's okay. I could actually whip together a video. Just ask me. If you want to know how to do something, I need you to ask me so I can actually do it for you. So Canva, that is something I made in Canva. So I could go over everything. 100% profit, 2-hour workday. I go over some of my favorite things. And then when I'm done with that, I could go by and then I could say, hey, here's the breakdown of my 2-hour workday. Let's talk about it. You create 1 hour. 1 hour, you are going to create 3 pieces of content. The next half hour, you're going to post free ads. And the last half hour, you're actually going to respond to those comments and emails. I love what I do. Okay. Now, here, this is what I promote. Legacy Builder comes with Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay, and Digital Master. These are all digital programs teaching you high income earning skills called digital marketing skills. You can take those skills and apply them to this business. It is your business and you make 100% profit. This is the page that you would see when you go to Granny's Getting Paid. It's called a capture page or a landing page. You would put your email into this and you would see this pop up. This is called a thank you page. Now on that thank you page, she is going to answer probably 90% of your questions. If she does not, then you can just email me and ask me. I will gladly answer them. So that again is the founder. You would click on that button there. Yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. That is going to take you to the programs. Okay. This is the legacy program. There's a breakdown. You can see the payment options. There's a plan, or you can pay outright, or if you want to do the plan, it's only available in the US. Here are some of the other programs I promote. You can see all the details inside when you go there. Now, in addition to having an automated system, I want you to understand that you get that website made for you, right? The website's $29 fee. It's made for you, but you also get that page, and that page all out there working for you 24 hours around the clock. I love it. Now, this is a little side thing, okay? I have my own community that's called DIY Business Builders Cafe. You would actually go there and you could take part of the weekly Zoom meetings that I have for people that purchase programs from me. I want to help you. I want you to succeed. So you see, I'm guiding people step by step as I'm putting up my overlays, okay? So it kind of guides you at the same time, gives you a plan, and gives you a step-by-step to actually create a video that has more than just you talking, okay? Back to this. So here's some of the wins inside of our community. As you can see, Shelly had her first sale. Yay, Shelly. Love that. Got her first 900 sale last night while watching TV. Here is another 9 ding while working her 9 to 5. Being a single mom, love that. I used to work 2 jobs. I'm so glad I came across this opportunity a few months ago. That is awesome. I love that for her. 3 900 sales on my live today. Veronica, that is amazing. 3 times 9, 27 in one live. That is cray cray. Okay, so those are some simple overlays to go through, and you could have that ready for you to create a video. Now, How do you do that? You can click on Add Overlay, go into your computer and grab a screenshot, a picture, anything you want to do. PNGs, JPEGs, and a screenshot will work. So I took this off of Pixabay because their pictures are copyright free. You can use their pictures. And this is one that I took, and I just pop it up there. It's so easy. You can actually have intro videos and outro videos, and then you can loop them like a countdown. You can have a background, okay? That is when, let's just say I have content up and I'm going to make myself smaller, and then we can add some bubbles in the back or blue waves just to add some pizzazz, okay? Let's hide that. Let's remove that, and I'm back. You can also have beautiful music. Okay, so that's the music part of it. We'll pause that and we'll go into style. You can actually change a couple of these things, the colors, the way that it comes up. I don't like the blocks and I don't like that. I like the bubbles. You can hide the bottom one. You can show it or you can hide them both. It is completely up to you what you want to do. Make it your own. You can change the font. You can change down here the default camera. That's kind of cool depending on what you're doing, okay? So it's really up to you. I like using the whole screen. Private chat, the private chat I've never used, but that's there. And that pretty much sums it up. So I hope that that shows you how easy it is to do, guys. You can do this. And I just want you to know that I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And I do hope and let me know how this works out for you. I do hope it helps you create content in anything that you're doing because it's so beginner friendly. I love this StreamYard. Also, I will include a link for it should you choose to try StreamYard. I would make some kind of affiliate income on that. I don't know the breakdown on it, but I'm just going to put the link there. Okay, thank you so much again. Have a great night.